Hey guys, it's me, Enzo. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Play-Doh. You gotta add flour, sea salt, water, and food coloring if you want to add color to your dough. Okay, so first, flour. Flour, salt, water, and mix it with your hands. This is so easy. This is like pancake mix. Keep mixing until you get a nice dough. And you get a bowl. Oh, this is so sticky. Hey guys, it's me, Enzo. We finished our dough. Now we gotta break it up into 9 pieces and color them. Okay, the next step is to color them.
I will do half a piece.
Squish. That's how you make your own dough. Okay, let's do the rest of the colors. My hands are red. All right, we did the color red, and now it's time for orange. Drip, drip. Now we did orange.
Let's wash my finger.
Yellow time. And here's our yellow dough. The colors that we did so far is red, orange, and yellow. So, green time. Now we made green. Time for teal.
Time for teal.
We did teal now. Now let's wash our hands. Blue time. This is my favorite color. Here's your blue. Okay, now purple time. It's time for pink. It's time for pinky. Okay, now we gotta wash my hands and let's move on to the last color. Brown time. Brown time. Squirt. how to make Play-Doh. The colors that we made are red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, purple, pink, and brown. If you want to make this at home, the recipe will be in the description box below. Bye!
Hey guys, it's me, Cece.
Like and subscribe.